Hi there and welcome back to my random hobbies, and today I'm going to be starting a restoration project and I'm here in the garage. I've got an oil lamp, an old blowtorch made of brass, I think. I've tried already to clear up a little bit of the side here just to see what it said, see if I can see what it says. So let me just try and read a little bit of that to you. It's a company called Sievert, I think. If I could just hold that up to the camera, if it'll focus. Sievert, there we go. Okay, and it says it's made in Sweden, Stockholm. The original genuine Sievert apparatus, always stamped thus: Max Sievert, Stockholm, signifying the highest possible standard in design, material and quality generally, and guaranteeing lasting satisfaction and absolute safety in use. Beware of imitations. So there we go. I have no idea how old it is. I do know though that it keeps pressure still, so I might not have to do much work on the mechanism. I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if you could hear that though. There's definitely a release of pressure from this. So I'm going to be working on this and over a period of time. So let's see how we get on. Okay, after quite a little bit of wrestling with some of the seized on nuts and screws, I've managed to get them all off and apart. So we're now ready for the cleanup process. So I was really pleased with how this turned out. You can see some surface scratches from the brush that I used to take off all the tarnish, but I think it turned out really well. Unfortunately, it won't hold pressure anymore because the seal rotted away, so I'm going to have to get a new one of those, and hopefully I'll do a video to show that in the future. Thanks for watching.